Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram reel cover after posting. Yeah guys, there is an option for changing the Instagram reel after getting a post. What you need to do, just simply get up to your profile section on your Instagram account, and then you need just to find for the reel section on the second selection. Then here, as you can see, here it is, the reel. I need just to type on it, and then as you can see on my last section or option on my fourth selection on my right upper side, I will go for it and then type for edit the fifth selection. Click on it and go now for edit by typing on the video or on the reel. Now as you can see, here are all the covers that could be changed, for example in this way, but also you can add it from gallery. For example, we'll go with this one. I will go with done, go on the tick side. Now I need to wait for it, and yeah guys, as you can see, we have changed our Instagram reel cover after posting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems, please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys, have a nice day.